Over here we've got a new product. We call it the 800 Rocket Braai. This beautiful braai is made out of 430, or you can choose 304 stainless steel. So I'm going to open the door for you to see what is inside. So if you look inside, you will see the hole of the rocket stove. So you can put your potjie on top of it, and it will make a potjie in no time. Then you've got a grid inside. You can decide if you want an amber maker inside and with a smaller grid, or you can just take it like this. Then you will see here, this is a piece that you can put on top of the rocket stove just to use it as a normal braai. Oh, what a beauty. Let's move downstairs to the rocket area. This is beautiful. Look at this. There you can see the rocket stove where you put in your small wood in like this. It's not gonna work, okay? It's too big. Always use small sticks. Put it in here. So you fire it up, and the heat will basically work like a conventional oven inside here, and then you can bake a bread inside here. So you've got a small oven in here with this rocket stove, and then you can close it, and you will find your thermometer there, and basically this pieces here is to regulate your heat. So if it's too hot, you open it, and if you want to keep your heat, you just close it. Okay, so this is how we light our rocket stove. No electricity needed. Thank you for the rocket stove. Now you can cook your potjie on here. Works like a bomb. Works like a rocket.
Funny go.
Bake a bread.
Let's see this bag. Huh! So far so good.
Smack.
Can I just see the steam coming out of it?
Oh, beautiful. It smells so
It
good.
smells delicious. I'll take it.
Woo. Perfect.